Hello, and welcome to Rainbow Attic Stair. Rainbow Attic Stair has been an innovator of many products over the years. We have the largest selection of attic and loft access ladders in the country. So we don't like to just sit still, we like to innovate. What we have here for you today is a sneak preview of one of our newest ladders, the G-Series. Typically, attic ladders are going to come in at a steeper angle than most people are comfortable climbing. And that angle would be 70 degrees, 65 degrees in some cases. But our customers have told us many times they like to have a more comfortable climbing experience. So we've been listening. And this is what we've come up with. This ladder, as you notice, has a much shallower angle. Typically, a 65 to 70 degree ladder would be at this angle. But this one here is at 55. And at 55, that more closely approaches the stair that you would have in your house, a regular climbing staircase. So what we've done is we've made the tread a little bit wider. We've changed the angle to 55 degrees. And we've also taken the handrails, which are 4, and that we have 4 on all of our attic ladders, and we've extended them out. So these are much longer than the conventional ones. And that, again, is so that you don't have to lean forward as you're climbing. This stair, like all of our other F-Series stairs, is rated for 570 pounds, commercially rated. So there you have it. Rainbow Attic Stairs, bringing you new ideas all the time.